everybody. I'm Dr. Madhu, consultant pulmonologist at Apollo BJS Hospitals. Today I'm here to speak about the harmful effects of cigarette smoking. This is on behalf of World No Smoking Day or World No Tobacco Day, which is celebrated on 31st May. Tobacco consumption is both addictive and harmful, and tobacco is known to contain, the cigarette is known to contain almost 7,360 chemicals, of which 70 are proven to be carcinogens. Carcinogens, I mean that they will know, and it is research has proven that they do cause cancer, which can raise from skin, head and neck, lungs, the gastrointestinal tract, the kidneys, the female reproductive organs, blood cancers like leukemia, and these are all very highly lethal and highly mortality causing cancers. Apart from cancers, cigarette smoking is also known to cause the staining of the teeth, the darkening or the hyperpigmentation of skin, losing your potency, infertility, and in women especially who smoke, they are highly susceptible to the harmful effects of cigarette smoking, in that they can develop problems with getting pregnant, and if pregnant women smoke, the children born will have low birth weight, they can be born with inborn errors of metabolism, and they have high chances of infections during childhood and survival. So it is very important to understand the harmful effects of smoking, which is if two long-term smokers you take, one of them will ultimately succumb to the harmful effects of smoking. He will die of smoking related problems. Apart from cancers, smoking is also known to cause the chronic lung diseases we all see in the movies when they start, the emphysema, the COPD, the chronic breathing problems, and it is also known to affect children in household who elders where they smoke. They develop problems with breathing, asthma, allergic problems, and especially in this COVID season we also have to understand that the harmful effects of viral infections can be very detrimental to respiratory problems, complications causing pneumonia, and ultimately death as well. So it's very important to realize the harmful effects of smoking, in which one cigarette smoke is known to reduce 5 minutes of your life. So life expectancy is reduced, and it is also known that a smoker, chronic smoker, he is known to die earlier, almost 13 to 14 years earlier than a non-smoker. So understand all these harmful effects of smoking, and we have to fight against the industry-driven advertisements, all these publications, all these movies, advertisements which show smoking as a very kind of what you tell, high sophisticated lifestyle. So it's very important to realize the harmful effects also. So it's very addictive because of the content of nicotine, and when we have other forms of medicines which will help us to curb this nicotine addiction, as our following speakers speak, it's important to realize the harmful effects of smoking and to bring about de-addiction, to stop the smoking and lead a very healthy and beneficial life to the society. Thank you.